Aloha, my friends. My name is Anya, and I would like to share this today. My case with hiccups, and I'm going to teach you and the whole world how to get rid of them. It could be quite extensive, and I've already learned my lesson not to drink half of the cup. But here's the secret. It's called the Ballerina secret. So you have to first set your mind that you're going to drink the whole cup no matter what, no matter how much you want to stop drinking it. You got to drink it like your life depends on it. And you're going to stand like this on the tippy toes and bring the head up and drink it slowly like that, okay? So here's that it works, okay? I think I'm free from hiccups. Check it out, comment, let me see how it works for you. Namaste.